everyone, this is Irina and I am a professional makeup artist and a skincare therapist. Today I wanted to give you a review of some of the products that I ordered from Glossier. Alright, so I applied the makeup, you saw the tutorial, you saw the process. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it feels like and what it smells like, and to just make sure that you know exactly if you wanted to buy it or not. If this topic is interesting for you, please stay with me. I started with the moisturizer. I had it in a sample. I used maybe a third of it for my whole face. My face is not dry, so I guess if your face is dry, you will have to use a little bit more. It absorbs really quickly. I love moisturizers that sit a little bit on top, but this I don't think it does, but it does feel nice. It doesn't smell like anything. It says that it's made in USA. I basically like that it says buildable, so I guess if you don't have enough moisture from the first coat, you can apply second coat and it will give you a better hydration. This is what it looks like in a big size. So it's a tube. I just got a sample of it. I have to say, concealer is very sheer. It doesn't really cover that much, just blurs a little bit. I have very deep under eye circles, so that concealer doesn't really do too much for me. The third thing that I applied was Perfecting Skin Tint, and it comes in the package like this. And I got G7. My concealer, which is called Stretch Concealer, was in G8, which is a little bit lighter, I suppose. And G7 is, or maybe darker, I'm not really sure. But yeah, they're really similar. I kind of felt like this is going to be too dark on me, because when I applied it on my hand, it was almost like 3 or 4 tones darker. But when I applied it on my face, it actually didn't give me too much color. It did tint my skin a little bit, so I wouldn't even say that it's a BB cream. It's actually a tint. You cannot see it on your face. It just blends very effortlessly, but at the same time blurs all of the imperfections. I don't have many. I don't have any dark spots on my face, so I'm not sure if this is gonna cover dark spots or pimples or anything that is more prominent on somebody's skin. So, but I liked it. It didn't have any smell. It says it's made in Italy. I've enjoyed applying it with my hands, because it didn't really leave anything on my hands either. It's not sticky, it's not greasy, it's just kind of water-based. You can compare it with probably the hydrating drops, but yeah, it's even more weightless. I liked it. So the next thing that I applied was a cloud paint, and this is the most popular product from Glossier. I got it in Haze, and the packaging, by the way, is pretty nice. You don't have to cut anything, it's just in this little box. It's a very dark berry color. I used it on my cheeks, on my lips, and on my eyelids. This is amazing only because it does give the color to your face, but it doesn't really color your fingers. So I used my fingers to apply it, but it didn't really do too much of a staining on it didn't do any staining on my fingers. It just stained my cheeks and my lips and my eyelids. I think any of their paints, cloud paints, you can actually apply everywhere, on your lids, on your cheeks, and on your lips. The other very great thing about this, when I started applying the gloss, this is a Glossier gloss, and it's amazing and actually is very popular. It's everywhere right now. So lip gloss, the clear transparent one. When I started applying this, right after I applied cloud paint on my lips, it didn't stain the brush whatsoever. So I guess the cloud paint is just, it absorbs really quickly and it sets really quickly, so you don't really need to worry about getting this dirty after you apply cloud paint on your lips. This is a little sticky, so I don't think it's very sticky, but I think it's a little bit sticky, especially when you drink from the bottle. Like when I drank my water from the bottle, it actually felt like it was sticking to the bottle. It doesn't smell like anything, and I swear it's not really that much bigger of a deal. This is like somewhere in the middle. It's sticky but not too much sticky. But yeah, it does create a lot of glossiness. Really like the shine and the gloss from this product. I also used Lash Sleek, which is a mascara, and this is a lengthening mascara for sure, because my eyelashes are not very long, but this did give me some length. It has a rubber brush like this, and it's a pink in color on top. So I kind of liked it. If you want a little bit more volume, this is not going to be a product for you, but if you need some length and just definition a little bit, this is a great product. Doesn't smell like anything, really nice. My eyes are really allergic to certain mascaras like Maybelline and all that jazz, but this one didn't give me any irritation or anything like that. And the last and my favorite probably is a Boy Brow by Glossier. It's small, it's smaller than my palm. The brush is really tiny here. I got the brown color, and although my hair is blonde, I still like my eyebrows to be more defined. I'm fine with them not being the same color. It did make my eyebrows darker, and it also set them in a certain shape. And what I like about this is it does both. It doesn't just cover eyebrow hairs, but it also sets them in place. So I just brushed them up and out a little bit right here, and I think this is one of my favorite for now from Glossier. This and Perfecting Skin Tint, those are my two favorites. I like the gloss, but I just wish it wasn't that sticky. So you see what's going on my face right now. It doesn't shine, it doesn't really show, but at the same time it did give me some blurry perfection on my skin. My skin is not the worst, but at least I know that I can do this makeup for like 5 minutes and get out of the house. So I'm giving Glossier a good 9, just for their concealer not being very coverable, but I guess that's the idea, and the gloss being a little bit sticky. But I love all of the products besides that, and I will give them all 10. So it's a really great product. If you guys wanted to try it, I'm pretty sure you will like some of them. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like this video, please comment down below if you tried this product and if you like some of their products. Maybe you tried something that I didn't order. I will order it as well. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.